Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new, and it's crazy that we still gotta walk around with these masks. It's so ridiculous. Like, I'm so over Corona. I'm just over like everything, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys. I'll be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and I haven't been doing them lately because my boxes have arrived damaged, or I just haven't been liking the products in there. I mean, you're not gonna like what you have every month, but I feel like you should be excited about, you know, the things that's in your box, especially if they're showing you new brands and new things that it would excite you, even if it's like not your cup of tea. So this is this month's Boxycharm right here, and I feel like they don't package their stuff as good as they should. So when you get your box, you know, you open it and the stuff is just floating around. As you can see, there's no like tissue paper, all that other stuff in the box to protect your items. So I feel like they need to step their game up with how they package their box. But this is this month's box, and I recently haven't been getting the card that tells you even how much the things are worth and stuff like that. So I don't know, but we gonna see how we feel about this month, because I might cancel. I don't know. So one of the things that bothers me about Boxycharm, and I don't know if it's my box or is it all boxes, but I keep getting this brand. Oh my god, every box I get from Appeal Cosmetics, and it's nothing against the brand, but I don't want to get the same item. Like, I get a lip thing, a lip product from the brand every single Boxycharm. I want to try something different and the colors be the same, like it'd be like a nude. I think I got in a red, which I don't wear, but it's like I just don't want it. But this is the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich in color, and there's a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection, and this retails for $21. So I don't think this is worth $21. I don't think this product is really that good, to be honest, so I could do without this. The next thing I see in the box is this right here. And what is this? So this is the Chesteek, hopefully I'm saying it right, Cover and Conceal Crayon. So it says, finally you can have extra smooth, easy glide on application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. This ultra creamy, long lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level, and this retails for $24. So it's just a crayon for the face. It's like a 2-in-1 concealer built in. One side has a concealer and the other side has a blending sponge. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, formulated without D5. I don't know what D5 is. It's in the color Toffee. I mean, this might be good. I don't know if this is my color, but the packaging, you know, feels kind of cheapy, like those basic packaging. And then it has the crayon. Let me see. Also, you pull it out and it has the color. This, I don't know, it's kind of too light. I don't know if I could use this as like a corrector. And it has like a magnet, so that's cool. If you can see, like, there's a magnet, and then you pull it out and there's a sponge on this side. This is a cute product. Cool. The next thing in here is pretty cool. This is from what's her name? Oh, I can't, I'm so mad I'm forgetting her name. Lady Gaga. This is from Lady Gaga's brand, which is exciting. So this is the Halls Laboratories liquid eyeliner, and it says, lay down with the line with the swig of our long-wearing liquid eyeliner. The superfine, flexible tip glides your line without tugging, flaking, for subtle to bold precision that won't skip a beat. And this retails, this retails for $20, so that's exciting. And this is in the color Punk. This is exciting to try a new brand, and eyeliners is like, I always need an eyeliner. The packaging is super cute but super basic at the same time. Like, it has a little, I don't know what you call it, like a crown indentation at the top, and the liner is super, super fine. And I'm gonna keep this, so let's see how it works. Yeah, super black. The line is super fine. It's super wet. We'll see how this goes. I'm excited about this. The next thing I see in my box is something from Tarte, which I'm excited about. So this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. It's the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. And this retails for $18. So this is super, super cute. Because actually, I've been needing something like this. Like, I used to use the one from Garnier. It's like a makeup remover and a cleanser. So instead of having to use like a cleansing oil, then a cleanser, or like a makeup wipe, then a cleanser to remove your makeup, and then another cleanser, I had a 2-in-1. And then I use another cleanser, because you always gotta like double wash your face. But this is super cute. You just saturate with a cotton pad and apply to skin, and then go after a gym session or to remove a full face of makeup. This is super cute. I'm super excited about this because I actually been needing this. And the last thing I'm super, 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 super excited about, because I'm a cheap bitch. Like, I don't be wanting to buy all these products and then they don't work and you can't return them, or you gotta go back to store and you be the one that's like, is she back? She's back again to return. But this is by Glam Glow. I always wanted to try a Glam Glow product. I think back in the days I had a sample, but I don't even know what it was. So this is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. And I love face mask. A creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. And this retails for $49. So this is super cute. So, but I wonder what this actually does. It just recovers your face. It smells real. Like, it has a berry smell, but it smells like a skincare, like something that needs to be on your skin. But I love masks, and I love all type of masks. Hydrating mask to clear acne, to reduce dark marks, all that stuff. And I've been trying to keep my skin good during this quarantine. I have like a couple breakouts from like stress, but overall, as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup. Like, I look pretty good. And my homegirl hooked up my hair, you know, since we can't really get our hair done, so shout out to her. But yeah, that's everything that's in my Boxycharm box. Let's see how much everything adds up to. So everything in this month's box retails for $135, and usually Boxycharm, all the full-size 5 products that you get, retail for over $120. I'm happy with the 3 out of 5 products in my box, or maybe the 4 out of 5 if the concealer is really any good, because it's really not my color, but it's pretty good, you know. I might take a break from Boxycharm because I always feel like my boxes be coming crazy. Like, they just be damaged and looking crazy. Like, they need to change their packaging. Like, Boxycharm, like, change your packaging. Like, wrap your products up. But I hope you like this Boxycharm unboxing. If I use any of these products and I can show it on my channel, I'll make sure to do so. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss an upload. And make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like a Boxycharm. Let me know if you have this month's box and what did you get in your box that's different from mine. Let me know if you use any of the products that I have in my box and how you like it, how you use it, all that jazz. So I'll see you in my next video. So whatever time you're watching this, have a good day, have a good night, and I just hope you're staying positive through all this COVID-19 stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.